Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while the home screen, tap to the widgets icon after that, and you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. Just tap to one from the widgets, and you'll see here the widgets. To add them to your panel, to your home screen, tap to add button. To move widget on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.